In this video, we'll be exactly seeing how you can rank in AI SEO. This could be applied for ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any other tool, and also Google's Gemini. Let's see how exactly you can rank in all of those AI searches so that you can get more customers, leads, and whatnot. And yeah, I'm here to the site just in case if you need any help with your marketing, feel free to book a call with us using the link given in the description and pinned comment. Now let's get into the main video. First of all, we'll be opening an incognito mode just for the sake because we don't really want any of our past ChatGPT history to affect its results, right? So let's just go to chat.openai.com, and here in this case I'm gonna search for, let's say, best link building vendor. Let's just search that and wait a bit. Now the core thing here is to actually find all of those citations or sources that ChatGPT or any other AI tool is referring to, and then building on those citations. It's very easy. Find out all the citations, get listed on them. That is it. So if you actually see for best link building vendor term, the tool has suggested us Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moose Pro, Majestic, Surfstat, right? The dedicated link building agencies and services, Link Builder, Hoth, Usurp, LinkGraph, and Link Doctor. A lot of them, right? Now your job is to actually see what sort of sources these guys are referring to. For instance, I'll quickly show you a quick win. All of these are coming from one single article of Tech Radar. In this case, what you'll need to do is to somehow get an article on Tech Radar or get a niche edit or get a mention from the specific article, and you will be easily getting into this stuff, getting into this AI search. That is it, right? And if you want to come here as well, then you will need to go through this, zeroado.com, smart links, then search engine land, Clutch, Reddit, Clutch, whatnot. The whole thing is find out all of these citations and then get mentions over there. Now it will differ based on each of the searches that you're doing. For instance, I'll showcase you one thing: best link building vendor, then best guest post vendor, right? If you actually see, the overall citations for this specific search would differ from the previous one, even though the overall intent is pretty much same. That is the main thing, right? So if you want to get mentioned in ChatGPT or any other searches, you have to be very sure about what term you want to rank for, because it's gonna be expensive. Getting links or getting mentions on these websites, this ain't gonna be cheap, right? You'll have to spend $100, $5 depending on each of these sites, how much they're taking or how much they're charging for guest post or mention, right? But this is fantastic, right? It's very easy. ChatGPT is giving you exactly what to do. Just get listed on those websites and you're gonna see the impact. Now the alternative here is building an alternative source, right? In that case, what you will have to do is create a separate listicle sort of article on any really trusted or really big Parasite website. For instance, if you don't know what Parasite website is, that's a website which we use to feed our content, rank ourselves, but using their website authority, right? That is the thing. For instance, there are a couple of Parasite websites, including Forbes.com, there are a couple of different ones. You can just go on Google and search for Parasite SEO, or check out my last video on Parasite SEO and you'll get an idea what exactly I mean. But yeah, you can build an alternative channel or alternative source listing all of those stuff on a single web page, on a single blog post, on a really reliable website or a really reliable page, and then you can get included in this ChatGPT search as well. But in that case, it's not gonna be sure. You won't be sure whether that's gonna happen or not. That's gonna be a bit of gambling stuff, I would say, because you're gambling whether you will be included or not. But if in case you are really looking to do it so that you can make sure that, hey, I need to be included in this, just get listed on all of these citations. That is it. Further, one more thing you can do: if your own website is really worthy, it's trusted, it's having enough DA, or at least it's having at the very least 25-30 DA or something like that, and you're getting some sort of traffic, you can build blog posts on the exact term. For instance, let's say if I want to rank for best link building vendor. In that case, I'll create some sort of listicle article on my own web page and start things like best link building vendor is XYZ company, because things like that. Be as straight as you want, because ChatGPT and all of these AI tools are actually, or all of these LLMs are actually picking up word to word, right? So if it's easier for them to judge any content or pick any content, it's gonna be easier for you to rank on them. That is the whole thing, and that is the whole nitty-gritty. Find out citations, get listed on them, or build an alternative source. It could be your own website as well. Just make sure that whatever you're writing, it's very direct and it's in active voice, you know. So yeah, that is all on how exactly you can rank in ChatGPT or any AI LLMs. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. By the way, just in case if you need any help with AI ranking, feel free to book a call with us using a link given in the description and pinned comment. We might help you if we think that we're both a good fit for each other, you know. Yeah, that was it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.